today's video, we are learning to crochet this beautiful Lachha Dori or Parandi. Let's begin. We need 2 colors of yarn, 2.5 mm crochet hook I am using, 1 scissor, 1 tapestry needle and this glue. The glue is optional, but if you have glue, it's better. Let's start by making flower. To make the flower, make 1 magic ring. Make 2 chain, make 1 double crochet, 1 more double crochet and 2 chain again. Now make slip stitch in this magic ring. This is our very first petal. Like this, we'll make 4 more petals to make 1 complete flower. 2 chain and 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and 2 chain and slip stitch in the magic ring. Repeat this pattern 3 more times and we will have 1 complete flower. 5 petals are ready. Now let's chain 1 and cut this and close the magic ring by pulling this yarn. Gently pull and make it tighter. If you pull very hard, it will break. So our 1 flower is ready now. Let's make 1 knot behind this flower. Do not cut this yarn because we need it later. 5 petal mini flower is ready. I am making this flower total number of 18. You can make less or more as per your desire of length of Lachha Dori. Now let's make the Dori. Take a little long tail, leave this part and make 1 slip knot here and make 15 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. After 15 chain, we will make 7 more chain to make the leaf. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now skip this very first chain and make 1 single crochet in the second chain. Then 1 half double crochet in the next chain. Then 1 double crochet in the next chain. Make 1 half double crochet in the next chain. 1 single crochet in the next chain. And 1 slip stitch in the 7th. Our little leaf is ready now. Now again make 15 chain from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. After 15 make 7 more chain. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Skip 7th or this is very first chain. We skip this first chain and make 1 single crochet in the next, 1 half double crochet in next chain, 1 double crochet in next chain, 1 half double crochet in next chain, 1 single crochet in next chain and 1 slip stitch in 6th or next chain. Like this, I am taking 15 chain gap between 2 leaves, so I am making 6 leaves in 1 strand. So let's complete our 6 leaf length. I made 6 leaves, so after 6 leaves I am making 25 chain at last. After 25 chain, leave a long tail and cut the yarn. So I have made 18 total flower and 3 dori with the leaves. Now let's assemble and give it a beautiful Lachha Dori look. We will be attaching this flower above the leaf. This is the leaf and we will attach this flower above the leaf. First we will tie this flower above the leaf like this. Look, this gives a beautiful look, one leaf and one pretty flower. Now let's tie the knot. That's why we leave this long tail of the flower. Like this, attach all the flower nearby this leaf, but above the leaf. To make it more secure and clean finishing, I'm going to glue a little bit to give it good finishing. You can use even hard glue, but I'm using this easy to use, clean and perfect finishing. After attaching all the flower, it looks like this. This is already looks very beautiful. Now let's attach these 3 dori at one and add the tassels here at last. Let's do it. To make the tassel, I am taking this long of yarn and folding it 25 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Fold it 25 times, cut it, and now so we have made the 25 chain at last. In this yarn section, keep it in center, keep it in center, and tie the knot here gently. Tie more knot. Tie 3-4 times. Keep this green yarn inside this tassel and hide it. Now take yellow yarn, a little long piece, and tie end the knot here. Yeah, like this. Make sure your knot is secure and strong enough. Make another one knot. Now cut it here. You can even cut this yarn and hide it. Like this, make all 3 tassels. This is our all 3 tassels is ready. Now let's join these 3 dori all together. We need a needle to attach these 3 dori. Now take another dori and insert the needles inside the chain of another dori and sew it 3 or 4 times to make it secure. let's add another one and attach here by sewing it. Take 3 altogether and sew it. Few more time. Make knot. Take out the needles and tie a knot here to make it more secure and strong. Make this knot a little bit invisible so finishing looks good. One more knot. Cut the yarn and add a little bit glue to give it a beautiful finishing. Let it dry. Our beautiful Lachha Dori is all completed and it is ready to use. I hope you understand the process and I hope you like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more such video in the future. Thank you for watching.